What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Danielle. I post videos literally all the time, so subscribe down below. Today, I'm going to be doing a pre-New York City haul for you guys. Sounds crazy, I know. So I'm going to New York City this weekend. I'm not sure when this video is going up, and then I'm also going to New York City next month, and I'm doing a little bit other kind of traveling to like places with colder weather, and it's pretty cold here in Georgia too, and they have the best sweaters on Romwe. Like sometimes you guys freak out about like the quality on websites like Romwe, and I find that their sweaters and jackets are always reliable. This haul is lots of jackets and sweaters and a couple pairs of shoes and some accessories, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. Like, I'm obsessed. So without further ado, let's get started with this haul. All right, I don't even know where to start. I guess I'll start with the sweater I'm wearing right now. It is a cropped ribbed turtleneck sweater. I love cropped turtleneck sweaters. I literally wear them all the time with high-waisted jeans. I just love that look. So this is like a fun tan color, and it's like really good quality. It's thick. I wore it today. I posted an Instagram picture in it. Follow me on Instagram at Danielle Carolyn. The next thing I want to show you guys is probably my favorite thing in this haul, just because they're so cute. Look at these shoes. Oh, they are dope. So I got these awesome platform sneakers that are white with black stars. They're so cute. I wore them today and they're really comfortable because they're platform. So yeah, definitely you guys should totally get these. I'll have them linked down below. Just obsessed with them. I'm just obsessed. I'm so excited to wear these like every day to class. I guess I'll show you guys the other pair of shoes I got while I'm at it. I got these super high, fun, chunky black boots. I love things with chunky heels personally better. Personally better, is that a word? I'm gonna make you a little brighter here. These are gonna be great for going out or for just like fun dinners when I just want a little bit of a height. They're like suede, I guess you could call it, and they're just so cute. Love this coat. So this is a faux fur, of course, coat that actually is beautiful. I see lots of vloggers wear it all the time, or like something like it at least. And like, I'm not trying to get a $700 one on Revolve. I'm trying to get this one that's super inexpensive and so cute, so bougie. I like really want to wear it with like a fun like black beret or something when I'm in the city. It's so warm and so cute. Like I could never wear it here, but like when I'm like in a more urban environment, I'm so excited. I got another shirt similar to this in black. However, this one's longer, so I like plan on like tucking it in. It's kind of nice sometimes when it's longer, so you can like tuck it in and you don't have to worry about like your stomach randomly popping out. But yeah, I just love slimming like black turtlenecks or just turtlenecks in general. Like I'm a turtleneck gal. Like I said, turtleneck gal. I got this really cute. It's a little bit more loose. Pink turtleneck sweater. So beautiful. I think this is gonna be great with just some jeans and some boots. Call it a day. I got this turtleneck sweater that I really like. It's a little bit more cropped and even more loose, which I think will be really fun with like some boyfriend jeans and like some white booties. I have a feeling I'm gonna wanna wear this one a lot just because it's like really comfy yet like cute. I'm really excited about this coat I got. It looks like kind of like a blazer style, like this beautiful plaid, but it's like a little bit longer. So when you put it on, you look like super professional. I think this will be more of like a spring coat for sure, but I think I can style this really fun and like, I really like the whole tailored look. I also got this fun star choker. I'm really excited to wear it. It's just like, it's pretty thick and then it just has this one single star right here, but I think it's gonna be really fun. You guys know I love my stars. I also was talking about that black beret. I got this beautiful like furry beret. I don't really know if I can rock them, but I've been seeing these a lot and I think they're really cool. I don't really know how to wear them TBH, but like I wanna learn. I feel like this is very New York City, or more so French, but like still. I got this super cute furry like lilac lavender sweater. It's also turtleneck, surprise. I'm telling you, they have the best sweaters and they're so inexpensive, so I always stock up. But I love this color. It's so girly and beautiful and it's very soft. I'm really excited. I also got this jacket, which I really like. It's like this brown corduroy and then on the inside it's super furry, which is great. It fits kind of funky, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I don't know if I'd recommend this to you guys just because this quality isn't as good as I was hoping it would be. Like the sleeves are kind of ruching. Like obviously there's times when you get something in the mail from Romwe and it's like not exactly what you want or not great quality. Like this is definitely one of those things, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But the inside's super great. Like I like the idea of this jacket, it's just, it fits really weird. Like it feels poorly made. I got this fun green cropped turtleneck sweater. It's not even a sweater though. This is like a shirt material. Like this isn't thick. All the other ones I showed were like for warmth. This is more so for like looks. I think it'd be cute with like a black and gold belt and some jeans. I got a loungewear set. Really excited about it. It is this light pink one with stars. So it comes with this fun shirt. It's just like a nice little pullover. It's not really thick or anything. And then it looks like Wild Fox. That's why I liked it. And then you have these fun bottoms. They're like pajama bottoms. But they're so cute and they're stars. It's a little bit more sheer, but it's got like these beautiful constellations. I like really want to wear this to the Khalid concert maybe with like a bralette underneath. And then I also got this one, which is definitely a little bit more funky. So it's also a turtleneck bodysuit, but it's not really sheer. I don't really know how I'm gonna style it yet, but I was like, this is so cute, like tucked into black jeans. I think yes. This is one of the most unique shirts I've ever gotten. I'm really excited about it. I think it's beautiful. So it's this long sleeve shirt with the coolest neckline, and then of course it's got like this yellow and black stripe in the middle, which I was really attracted to, and then I really like the sleeves as well, and the bottom. It's just like a really cool, interesting shirt. I don't know, I'm excited. This is kind of boring, but I also got that same black turtleneck in gray so I could tuck it in. It's just, they're just really good basics to have, and like after a while they kind of get like gross, so it's like good to stock up. I got this fun furry sweater here. It's like almost off the shoulder, but not. And it's got like super baggy sleeves, which I really like. I love a loose fit sometimes. I think I want to wear this with like joggers and heels. I think that'd be really cute with like a high pony and some fun earrings like I'm wearing here. Got them on Dote. This will definitely be a good staple sweater to have as it still is pretty cold out. It's super thick. I think this will just be great with leggings and like boots when I just want to be like semi-cute. Love it. It's obviously turtleneck that's brown. Oh, I love this one too though. It's yellow, of course, and it's like a thick cable knit, which I love. It is so warm, so you can kind of just wear it on its own when it's like 40, 30 degrees outside, I feel like. 40, not 30, I'd wear a jacket too. But yeah, love this one. I also have been really into like puffer jackets right now. I find them very fashionable. So I got this red one. It's like super like, just got back from Aspen. But I think these look really great and they're really warm and they're good to wear to class, or like if you wear them like this, or like, I don't know. Ooh, so cool. Gonna be honest, don't know how I feel about this. I got this vest. It's more lilac-y than I thought. I thought it was more of like a gray color. It's like a cropped faux fur vest. I don't know. Gonna have to figure out how to style this. And lastly, I got this grayish, taupish, purplish sweater. I'm pretty sure it's like the same as that yellow one, just in this color. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe down below. And if you want to see these outfits in action, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post once a day and sometimes more, at least on my Instagram story. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.